In this video, we will be solving an exercise about inverse proportion in Unit 1, Algebra 1. Let's go ahead to exercise 6, page 16, and solve exercise number 2. A scientist gathers this data. You have this table that has T and R, and you have data filled in with T and R. Part A says which of these relationships describes the collected data. You have R inversely proportional to 1 over square root of t, you have 1 over t, and you have 1 over t squared. Now, let's find out which one belongs to this table. As you can see, the first column and the last column are already filled, so let's go ahead and use them. Let's go ahead and replace the t and the r found in either of these. Let's go for the first one. The first one is 1 and 20, so t is equal to 1, r is equal to 20. Fill in the blanks, so 20 is equal to k over square root of 1, and that is 20 over 1. So r is equal to 20 over square root of t. As for the second one, you have 2 is equal to 20 over the square root of 10. And that is solved through cross multiplication. 2 into square root of 10 is equal to 20, and that is not true. So the first one does not work. Now let's go ahead and move on to the second one, and that is r inversely proportional to k over t. So is r equal to k over t? Let's see. 20 equal to k over 1. Do some cross multiplication. K is going to be equal to 20. So r is equal to 20 over t. Does it work for the second one? Let's see. Again, we put 10 as t and 2 as r. But the second one is going to be 2 equal to 20 over 10. So do some cross multiplication. 20 is equal to 20. So that is true. So the second relationship best describes the collected data, and that is the relationship of the whole exercise. Now let's copy and complete the table. Well, for the second column, we have the given, and we have the thing that we have just found out, and that is r equal to 20 over t. So when t is equal to 4, r is equal to 20 over 4, and that is 5. So let's move on to the third column. R is equal to 4. So 4 is equal to 20 over t. After cross multiplication, 4t is equal to 20. Divide both sides by 4 in order to isolate t. T is equal to 5. So now that we have filled the whole table with data, we have already found the constant of this relation, and we have found the missing data for this exercise.